What's up, everybody? Undead Food Reviews here, and welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to apologize for the lack of posting videos, but I'm back and I'm ready to rock and roll. So for this review, I'm really excited to do this one because I've been wanting to do this one. So I'm going to be doing another DQ Blizzard. Which one, you may ask? Well, this is the new Summerberry Cheesecake Blizzard. So let's just give this a try. Okay. Okay. Right off the bat, it's a little pungent from the berries. Got that berry ice cream. Wow. This is really good. What we got? Oh, chunks of cheesecake. Oh. This really goes well together. So we got blackberries in here. And I like blackberries. We got them chunks of cheesecake. So, you can't go wrong with this. Cheesecake and the berries go good together. So if you're ever at DQ, make sure you pick up the Summerberry Blizzard. My bad. Summerberry Cheesecake Blizzard. It's a winner. Well, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you already haven't subscribed, please do. Hit that notification bell so you can get all the latest updates on when I post videos. Follow me on Instagram, Undead Zombie Army, and I will see you guys in the next video.